Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Toyota Tacoma key fob. First, let's prepare your vehicle. Make sure your driver's door is open and unlocked, with all other doors securely closed. It's crucial that your key is completely out of the ignition. Also, have all your key fobs ready, as you'll program them in one session. These initial steps must be completed within 5 seconds. To enter programming mode, insert and remove your key from the ignition 2 times within 5 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door twice, then insert and remove the key once. Repeat closing and opening the driver's door 2 more times. Now, insert the key into the ignition and leave it there. Close the driver's door, then turn the ignition to on and immediately to OFF. Remove the key. The door locks will cycle, confirming you are in programming mode. Now let's register your key fob. On the remote, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for about 1.5 seconds. Release both buttons, then immediately press and hold only the lock button for 2 seconds. The door locks will cycle once, confirming your key fob is successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, repeat this exact 2-step process for each one you wish to register. To exit programming mode, simply open the driver's door. This action concludes the programming sequence. Once exited, thoroughly test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they lock, unlock, and function correctly. If any key fob does not respond as expected, you will need to repeat the entire programming process from the very beginning. This method is effective for many Toyota Tacoma models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.